Okay, so, obviously, a lot of times in math, the proof is much more complicated than the actual application. So right off the bat, since you're adding two logs of the same base, you just multiply what's inside these logs. Again, I don't have parentheses around them. I probably should. So this is log base 6 of 8 plus log base 6 of 27. We're just going to multiply what's inside the logs and keep the base. 8 times 27 is 216. And then we can convert that to an exponential. Some of you don't have to do that. You recognize that you need to find a missing power here. So in other words, 6 to what power gives you 216? Does anybody know what that's going to be? It's third, right? So if we were to solve this, 6 to the x equals 6 cubed, we can see that x equals 3. So we're building on concepts we've learned. Then ultimately, log base 6 of 8 plus log base 6 of 27 equals 3. The way we found that was by multiplying inside the log and then evaluating using an exponential.